Congratulations, Riley, on getting so far in the competition. Well done.
Thank you.
What has been the hardest part so far?
Oh, definitely week 3 when we had to make bread. I thought I would be out of the competition that week. My sesame bread buns did not turn out the way I expected them to. They were too dense inside, and the crust was too soft. I was very disappointed with myself.
But you got through, and now you're in the finals. What are you going to bake for the last round? The theme for this final bake-off is Taste of Home.
That's a no-brainer. I'm going to make a Black Forest gâteau. This is a popular chocolate sponge cake in my hometown in Germany, but I'm putting my spin on it, of course. Instead of the usual cherry filling, my version of the Black Forest gâteau will have raspberry compote. I'm using my grandmother's recipe. We used to go to the local market every weekend to get fresh raspberries, and she would make jam out of them. And that, to me, is a taste of home.
That seems like a very ambitious dessert. Will you be able to finish it under 3 hours?
Yes, I should think so. It's all about multitasking at this point of the competition, and our final desserts must be nothing short of perfect.
Right. What ingredients will you be using?
Sugar, butter, cocoa powder, eggs, and flour for the sponge cake. Whipping cream, castor sugar, vanilla extract, and alcohol for the buttercream. As for the raspberry compote, I'll be using frozen raspberries, sugar, and lemon juice.
It sounds delicious. Well, I'll leave you to it. Best of luck.
Thanks.
Also in the race for the title of Master Baker is our other contestant, Yetling. Which week has been your favorite so far?
The cupcake round in week 2. I was really pleased that all 3 judges enjoyed my caramel gingerbread cupcakes, but Chef 10 has been saying that some of my baked goods are too sweet, so that's something I'll have to watch for.
What are you going to do for the final?
I'm baking an illusion cake. It's going to resemble a bowl of curry fish balls, a popular street food in Hong Kong, but it will taste just like a boba milk tea. These are my favorite treats that definitely remind me of home.
Wow, I can't wait to see how this turns out. Time-wise, how are you doing?
I'm a little worried about having to complete all the different components of the dessert. To be honest, I haven't had much experience with scooping cakes, and I hope it won't take too long.
Fingers crossed. It sounds like you've got a lot on your plate. So, what ingredients are you using for your illusion cake?
The cake will consist of flour, sugar, eggs, black tea, and milk tea concentrate. I will also be making a milk tea buttercream using vanilla extract, sugar, butter, and some black tea. And I will add some brown sugar boba pearls for texture. Fondant for sure. I will need that to cover my boba milk tea and shape the curry fish ball and bowl.
All right, best of luck, Yetling. May the best baker win.
Thank you.